coi pin coi đai we ga chamot we ga chalor chage na chak pol ai ran piot Ustaz Majee juban ban yakol keke welkok yam tong jengich. Today we are going to learn about the relationship words in Dinka language. Relationship words in Dinka language are a joke wa a wa my father ur your father un is or her father is called un. Ma my mother more ma ora more your father your mother sorry your mother man is her mother that is man. Wa mat wa a ma a ta wa a ma a ta wa mat my brother wa mat kya wa a ma a ta ka yi e wa mat kya my brothers. There is plural wa mat kya my brothers. If you say my brothers, you say wa mat kya. One brother, you say wa mat my brother, wa mat kya my brothers. Wamut you are talking to someone else, you say wamut your brother. Wamataku wa a ma a ta ku wamatku your brothers. One waman wa a ma a na woman is or her brother wamatke wa a ma a ta ka e wamatke is her brother. This is the plural form of woman and then wamatke is or her brothers. Wamatda our brother. Wa a ma a ta da a wamatda our brother. Kene wamada, this is our brother. Wamatda our brother. Wamakwa wa a ma a ta ka u a wamatakwa our brothers. Nyankai my sister. Nya a na ka ai nya a na ka ai nya a na ka ai nyankai my sister. Nyirakai nya ira a ka ai nyirakai my sisters. Nyirakai. Nyanken is her sister. Nyiraka is like nyereke or nyereke is her sisters. This is the plural form of nyanken. Nyankui. If I am talking to you, I will say nyankui man. Nyankui. your sister, nyan kui achayok war call Sue. I get your sister yesterday in the market. Nyan kui achayok war call Sue, like nyan kui, your sister. Near a kui, you say near a kui or near a kui or near a kui. Nya ira aka u I Nirakui, your sisters. Nyan kaida, nya an ka I da a, nya an ka I da a, nyan kaida. Our sister, nyan kaida. Nyira kwa, nyir nya ira, nyir a kwa ka u a, nya ira a ka u a, nyira kwa. Our sisters, walan, wa a la an, walan, uncle, Newach, auntie. Nya I wa Asha, Newach. That is Newach means sister of your father. Sister of your father is Newach. Auntie. Walan, this brother to your father, uncle. Tikwar. There is a common word in Dinka. You say tikwar, wife to your uncle. Ta ika tik wa a ra tikwar, wife to your uncle. Ninar, nya I na a ra, ninar, maternal uncle. That is brother to your mother is called ninar, maternal uncle. Malan, ma a la anna, malan yan kenima, you say malan yan kenima. Maternal auntie. Yes, that's sister to your mother. The sister to your mother is malan, sis, malan yan kenima. Okay. Madit, ma a da it, madit, my grandma, my grandfather, my grandmother, my grandma. Madit, wadit, wa a da it, wadit, my grandfather. Wadit achol deng dit, or wadit achol majang dit, wadit achol majak, wadit achol deng dit. So wadit means my grandfather. Udit, wa u da ita, udit. I'm talking to you. Udit, I will be saying udit. Your grandfather. Mordit. You say mordit or mordit. Your grandmother. Manya or mantiang dia. My mother-in-law. Manya or mantiang dia. Mantiang ta I eng da I e. Mantiang dia. My mother-in-law. Unya or untiang dia. Unya or untiang dia. My father-in-law. Diop, da, this is da, dh combined, da, I, o, fa, da, I, o, fa, diop, kene ediam dia. This is my sister-in-law, kene ediam dia, like diop, da, I, o, fa, diop, sister-in-law. Diamdia, diamdia, the e a m, the e a. You change this one to diamdia if you say for yourself, diamdia. My sister-in-law, like I'm talking to you and I say my sister-in-law, then in Dinka I will say diamdia. Kene e diamdia. This is my sister-in-law. Diabcha. If the plural form of diamdia is diabcha. The e a f sh e a. Diabcha. 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 My sisters-in-law. My sisters-in-law. Tuan dia. Tuan dia. Ta u o na da ye. Tuan dia. My brother-in-law. My brother-in-law. Tosha. 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 My brothers-in-law. Like Tosha. My brothers-in-law. Tosha. My brothers-in-law. Tosha. Tosha. My brothers-in-law. Monyan Kai. Sorry. Let me pick something here. Monyan Kai. Monyan Kai, husband to my sister. Monyan Kuj. Monyan Kuj, husband to your sister. Monyan Kaida. Monyan Kaida. Monyan Kaida, husband to our sister. Monyan Kuidun. Monyan Kuidun, husband to your sister. Patodia. 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 I love Patodia. I'm going to my in-law. My in-law house. My in-law. My in-law. Mondit. Mondit. Mondit, old man. Tigdit. Tigdit. Tikta ika. Da it. Tigdit, old woman. Dog. 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 Boy. Dog. Boy. In Dongan. Boy. Dog. Boy. Duck. 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 Boys. Boys. That is plural form of dog. Dog. Etok. Danko. One boy. Duck. Plural form of dog. Boys. Boys. Wow. Nya. Nya. Girl. Girl. Nir. Nir. Girls. Girls. Nya. I ra. Nir. Nya. I ra. Nir. Yeah, add other words I left out here in the comment section, and thanks for your participation in Dinka language online learning. Subscribe in our YouTube channel, follow and like our Facebook page, follow us in Instagram. Learn Dinka language online with Ustaz William Majee. With Ustaz William Majee. Bin Nyalik Wig Dodge Bin Kacha. Bin Nyalish Wig Dodge Ibn Kacha. May God bless you all, my people. Thank you so much. This is the end of our lesson, relationship in Dinka. Thank you for being with us, and may God bless you all. Yaka you share ten koi kun itong monjang gingich te gotun gute kwenten ayena kan.